everybody. Welcome to the Governor's Garage. This week we are off to our first event for the season. Now I know the Southeast has gotten a little bit of a head start on us because of their better weather, but for us, this is our first opportunity to go. And if you're following the other series, you know that the car's not behind us because number 54 is going to be down for the season. It's getting repairs from the end of last season, but that's another story. Go check it out. But we are on our way to Tire Rack today. Midwest is hosting it this week. Tire Rack's always a great location and a great business model for them, by the way. They absolutely, just a great idea to sell the tires and allow us to come burn them off. And various region hosts events there throughout the year. And it's always a great time. I'm hoping to see Luke if he's down there. But anyways, yeah, we'll see what we're getting into when we get down there. We're going to work some corners. We're going to get some content and see what NCCC Autocross is all about. All right. Here's the arrival at Tire Rack. You always, when we come over here, you can always start seeing the course, the headquarters, the Corvettes, everybody on their course walk. There's Mr. Howard J. Curtis himself. The first step is to head over to registration. Whether you're driving, working, or just hanging out for the day, you need to head over to registration and sign the waiver. Next stop is to head over to tech. This is where you check your car in, declare class, and confirm your number from registration. Today, since we're not driving, I just checked in just to say hi and to see what was going on, and I found out we were going to have quite the Z06 party as we had multiple new Z06s coming out to play. Next is the course walk, and this is a good investment of your time. You need to take the time to learn the course so you can attack it. As timing is getting their final preparations done, you can stop by and see who you are classed with and who you will be racing against for the day. I always love running into Howard. Next up is the driver's meeting, and this is mandatory. This is where you get your final details on how the day will go, how it will be scored. The final run groups are announced, so make sure you pay attention because all the important information that you're going to need to operate throughout the day will be given during this time. Since today we would be out on the course and not driving, we headed over to the workers meeting for the workers instruction, and this is where you get all the details on how to score the course for the day and your safety briefing. Now we're ready to go hot, and the first run group is called up. We were lucky to get a ride along with current points leader Ricky Black in his C4. right, everybody. I think that's going to do it for our content here today at our autocross. They'll be back out here tomorrow, but Capital City has their annual bowling challenge, and I'll be at that tomorrow. We're walking back here through the paddock. You can hear some of the cars. There's always a variety of Corvettes and drivers here, and get this throughout the year. NCCC, different regions have a few different opportunities to come to the tire rack, and it's a great facility. It's always a challenging layout. The course here gives us a lot of flexibility. I promise you, if you come out here and try this, you're going to have a good time. And we've aimed at simplifying participation here. We went back through the rule book last year, especially with the classifications. We're actually shooting a video here after this to explaining how we classify the generations, and we brought it down to where we use the nomenclature of C1, C2, C3, instead of anything crazy like 1AB, 1SJK. It was kind of confusing to new people. So we're making an effort here to make things a little bit more simple, open up the gates for participation, and get new drivers to come out. And you know the Governor's Garage, we always love C4s. So if you're one of the new guys out there in a C4, we'd love to see you come out here and bring it out to participate. If you have a Corvette, it will absolutely love you for coming out and for doing an autocross with it. Please check out our website, and all the links are down below. Check out the Governor's Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more content coming out this summer.